Hi everyone. So this week I didn't really have that much time to film. I only had about an hour to sit down, and by the time I got all my supplies out and the camera was on, I only had around 45 minutes left to paint. So this week I really didn't have anything planned. I only knew that I wanted to work with some warm colors. So that first color that you see on the left is a quinacridone rose. And then I put down some burnt sienna and that Titan buff next to it. And that Titan buff I put down because I figured it'd be nice to use instead of white for a change. And that last tiny bit of pink that you see there is a Venetian rose. And I added that because it's a muted pink color, and I figured that would be a nice contrast to that quinacridone rose. point, I really love the way I created space, but I'm not really happy with the two shapes that have all that Titan buff inside them. I think they kind of look boring compared to the other three shapes that have more things going on inside of them. So I decided to do something that I seldomly do, and that is to edit them into something that I like. So we'll just have to wait and see how that works out. So time was starting to catch up with me, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to finish this one. But that's something that does happen a lot when I work in my art journal. After all, it's supposed to be a place where I can explore, right? So I really don't mind. Looking at it now, I think I would definitely bring more darkness into that pink tone surrounding the shapes. I just would like to see some more contrast in this one. Anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching and that you take time out to practice too. And I would really appreciate your follow, like, share, and comment. It's a real easy way to support me if you want to keep seeing content from me. All right, see you next time, guys. Bye.